Students, welcome to in this video. In this video, we'll learn how to find the all the factors of any given number. To understand it, I have taken two example, that is find all the factors of 36 and second find all the factors of 100. So how will you find out the all the factors of 36? So let us understand it. 36 can be written as 1 multiplied by 36. 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 18. 36 can be written as 3 multiplied by 12. And 36 can be written as 4 multiplied by 9. And 36 can be written as 6 multiplied by 6. 36 can be written as 9 multiplied by 4 also. So here we have to stop because 9 and 4 already repeated earlier also. So on that time you have to understand, means we have find out all the factors of the given number, that is 36. Okay, so and after that you have to write thus all the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, after that 12, 18 and 36. So these all are the factors of 36. In the same way, similarly, we can find out the all the factors of 100. 100 can be written as 1 multiplied by 100. 100 can be written as 2 multiplied by 50. 100 can be written as 4 multiplied by 25. 100 can be written as 5 multiplied by 20. 100 can be written as 10 multiplied by 10. And 100 can be written as 20 multiplied by 5. We will stop here because you can see here 5 and 20. 5 and 20 repeated earlier. Thus we have find out all the factors of the 100. We have to stop here, and thus all the factors of 100 we can write like this: 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So what you have learned in this, we have learned how to find the all the factors of 36 and 100, and by using this method you can find out all the factors of any given number. So I hope all of you understand it. Now we will learn what are the properties of the factors. So we will learn this one with the help of one example. So properties of factors. So one example I have taken, and through this example we will try to understand all the properties of factor. So all the factors of 40s are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. So these all are the factors of 40. So now first property, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Means the factors of, we are talking about the factors of 40. So we can see here 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. These all are the factors of 40, and these all are the exact divisor also. When we will divide this, how can you check these are the exact divisor or not? So if we will divide 40 by 1, definitely it will be completely divisible. By 2 also it will be also divisible, completely divisible. 4 also. Similarly you can check every factors of the number, even 40 also completely divisible by the number itself. So every factors of the number is exact divisor of the number. Next, the factors of a numbers are finite or fixed. Finite means you can count it. So if we will count the factors of 40, so we will get how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 factors of 40. So in the same way, we can find out, we can count the factors of any number and it will be finite only. Okay. Next property, 1 and the number itself is a factor of every number. So dear students, the factors of any number, it will be 1 and the number itself. So here also you can see the factors of 40 also 1 and the number itself has came. So the next property, that is factors of a number cannot be greater than the given number. Factors of the number cannot be the greater than the given number. So you can see here the factors of 40, it is not greater than 40. It is all the up to 40 or it can be less than the 40. It cannot be greater than, means the factors of 40 cannot be 41, 42, 43 like this. So the factors of the number cannot be the greater than the given number. So I hope all of you understand how to find all the factors of any given number and the properties of the factors. Thank you.